I'm Aisha, I'm CRO here at Orbital. We're here today to celebrate all of our customers, all of the people that we've worked with over the years. It's our first ever Christmas party and we're celebrating a year here in Farringdon.
We are super excited to be celebrating the end of a whole first year in our Farringdon offices. We're joined by a whole load of our customers as well as our founders to look at what's in store for the year ahead.
It's great to bring our customers into the space that we work in every day to celebrate Christmas and to kind of talk about our plans for the year ahead.
2025 is going to be an even more exciting year than 2024. There's even better AI technology that's dropping from some of the leading AI labs. We're already playing with that behind NDA, building out the future of the real estate legal space, and we can't wait to ship products in Q1 and Q2 next year to many of the users who are mingling behind me, who will eventually get to play with the bleeding edge of what this AI technology can do in real estate legal.